To use action icon feature to open a URL on an handwritten note on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first, you have to make sure that the action icon option on the Note app is on. To do so, open Samsung Note app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the top left, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen. Under advanced section, tap the gray on offset next to action icons until the switch turns orange to turn it on. To see how this feature works, tap the back key. Open your handwritten note where the URL you like to open is on. Remove your S Pen. Next, tap the read-only icon at the top of the note to view the note in read-only mode. Hover your S Pen above the URL, and then tap website icon to open the URL on the default browser app. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.